This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 5: Steering and Sustaining a Conversation. In this chapter, we will explore the significance of silence in the context of conversation and look at an intriguing graph. We will also discuss the various processes involved in conversation. 3 different activities related to conversation: listening, speaking, and the role of the environment and non-verbal communication will be covered. After discussing the skills of speaking, we will move on to conversation itself and its applications. We will examine the different masks or roles we wear when engaging in conversation with people. Both parties contribute to the interaction through verbal and non-verbal cues. Silence plays a crucial role in making sense of things, representing space and understanding. The Buddha strategically used silence to draw attention and then gave illustrative responses for impact. Through 3 graphs, we will illustrate the cultural differences in conversation styles and the varying utilization of silence. The key lesson here is that patience and understanding enable meaningful interpersonal communication. Prioritizing personal concerns over agenda items builds trust and openness during a conversation. Processes like body language, speaking style, language use, listening, and tone are essential for effective communication. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.